Hey guys, what's up? Got a few late breaks. Actually, it's 6:50. I just had some customers leave. I'm going to break this box for Manny. Those three over there are going to be for Walt. And Kyle's getting an '08 sweet spot over there. So I'm going to start with Manny. If you guys see this break here, video will be up soon. He asked for box number 45. There you go, buddy. 2007 Upper Deck Black. Let's see what we get. Pack 1, pack 2. Here we go. Card 1 is, oh, that's nice, Tom Glavine quad. It's the gold version, number /10. Quad game used jersey autograph. It's got a little white spot on that top corner, but other than that, looks good. 8 of 10. There we go. Pack 2. I open. And it is Glenn Perkins auto, numbered to 75. 45 of 75. It's funny, you got box 45, and it is number 45. There you go, Manny. I appreciate it, buddy. And I'll get I'll get both of these cards right out for you. All right. See ya.